Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. I'm Bethany, one busy mama, and I have Boxycharm Base Box Battle. This is the $25 subscription monthly. You are guaranteed 5 full-size items, and it is worth $125 or more. If you're not familiar, I do have a referral code down in the description box. I only get points, but you can sign up there if you want to try it out for yourself. So this is the base. There is a medium, which is premium, $35 a month, or quarterly. Every season you get a Luxe box, which is a replacement of the base box, so it is $49 and some change, and you don't get your base. I think that the base box is the better value. You'll have to let me know which one you think is better. So, and I will leave the total at the bottom of each box. So this is box number 1. This is my actual profile, and the other box is not. It is unfamiliar with makeup, not comfortable with makeup. So if you're curious to see which one wins and has the better value, stay tuned. Okay, so ironically, they both came. I did get tracking. Both weigh 1.1 pounds. This is interesting. So this is my profile box. I labeled it profile box. And I usually do a monthly Boxycharm Wednesday where I do a look with complete Boxycharm items that I can make. So I've got quite the variety now, so that I can make a lot of Boxycharm looks. So stay tuned for that. So here is this box. I already see something. Okay, and we get a card. The month for November is Harvest. This is variation 27 and 5 full-size items. There is a coupon for Natasha Denona, and there's the code in case you're interested. So with that being said, I got the palette. Woo! And that is $48. Natasha Denona Peak Palette. And here it is in the packaging, which I love. Nice packaging. I do see some fallout there at the bottom. So here they are. The names are on the back of the palette. Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Hara, and Shine. One would be the Shine. Okay, so we'll have to do a look with that. I do like the compactness of this palette, $48. It's a warm tone eye pigment palette, creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. Next I'm pulling out is Jekka Black. This is a liquid corrector. It is vegan, cruelty-free, made in the UK. This is $15 liquid corrector for under eye brightening. I have some Banana Bright things, and here it is. This looks like a mini sample, 0.34 fluid ounces. Next, I see my choice was the Kush Milk waterproof mascara, and it is full size. This is $24. As I said, waterproof, intense black. So I do have a mini of the regular version, so I'm not going to open it, but I do love this. And it says Aces, so that's the color. Next is the Farsali Quench. I did already get this. This packaging is a little beat up, but this is 30 ml. It is the Moisture Replenishing Serum, Hydrate and Replenish. This is $24 as well. And lastly for this box is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask, which is $45. Yensa's been floating around a lot. So for our first box, let me give you a total. is $156. Coming right up. This is the Not So Comfortable with Makeup. 25% off coupon, so that means I got the palette. So variation number 25. Oh my gosh, the other one was 27. Here is the extra palette. Beautiful. I will probably put that in a giveaway. Next up, this is different. Half Caked Game Changer. Oh, the Natasha Denona was 48. The half cake is 32. It's a lip trio. And there you go. You get 3 lippies. Already have similar shades. This will go in a giveaway as well. Very nice gift. So this one is Bordeaux. This one is Low Key. It's pretty. And this one is Theme Song. All very pretty shades. So whoever gets that will be super happy. Let's see what they say. Lip fondant liquid lips, feather light texture, and dry completely matte. So if you like matte lippies, this is for you. This might have been my choice, the Gimme Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. Volumizing eyebrow gel, $24. Tinted eyebrow gel, which I'm starting to love now. It kind of looks like a mini one, to be honest. It is 0.1 ounces. It says number 4. And it seems tiny. I think Ipsy was doing one as well. But I'm interested to try this. And we have, oh, this is nice, a Dr. Brandt toner, antioxidant spray toner, $40. It has green tea, white tea to shield your skin free from radicals. Red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone and soothe. This is great. This is 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. I'm not sure if this is full size. I'll have to check, but it is really nice. I like the packaging. Dr. Brandt is great, and I love toners. Here is the Moda Metallics 2-brush Ultimate Eye Sculptor. This is $15. Rose gold color. They're 100% vegan, and they have some texture to them. So there's a crease brush and a triad angle eye brush. Very nice. So this box, the Not So Comfortable with Makeup, $159 retail value, and the other one was $156. So which one do you think, in the comments down below, is the better box? I like the combination of getting both. I think that Base has a better value most of the time. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you like these videos, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so that turn the bell up to all. And as always, guys, stay safe.